In this video, I am going to show you how to remove and put back the camera of LG KP500. Shut down the device. After shutting down the device, remove the back cover. Remove the battery. Remove the screws using a screwdriver, and after that pull here and here, and then open it. This is the camera. To remove it, pull up this black wire here, and then you can take out the camera. And to replace it, keep it back like this and attach this end here. And that's done. Then put this cover back like this. Snap in the battery and the battery cover, and then power it up. Thank you for watching. God bless you.